All right, guys. A beautiful week, and the market is open, and we are now looking at some interesting pairs that we can trade for this week. And if there's one that really stood out for me, has to be Euro NZD. And On this video, I'm basically just going to give you um, some few hints and reason why we should enter this trade and why it's such a focal point for me this week. So yeah, let's get to it. So we're just gonna analyze, and once we're done analyzing, you guys will know whether Euro NZD we're expecting a bullish movement or trend or a bearish trend for this week. So let's get to it. All right, so the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna go to our weekly time frame, which is this one, and what we want to do now is we want to identify our our strongest, not strongest point, but our major zone. Okay, so the first zone that I realize is we have a very strong support down here. Um, there we go. And we have a very strong resistance right here. Okay. So now, if you realize and if you see that from here, this resistance was failing to break. So at this point, it failed to break. At this point, it failed to break. At this point, it failed to break. Went all the way down. Came all the way up here last year, April, and then it broke all the way down. I mean up. All right, and then making this resistance a new support. Once it was broken, it was now a new support. And as you can see, the market got supported here. The market shoot all the way up again. Okay, it came all the way up again, and then in last year October, it actually broke that support, as you can see right there, and then went all the way down, forming, or not really forming, but going all the way down to our previous support, which is here. As you can see here, we also have a support. So when the market went all the way down, it came to our previous support and got supported. And what happened now? It got supported and then went all the way up again to the resistance. All right. Got here, reversed, went all the way down to our support, got supported, failed to break this major zone, and went all the way up again. Okay, now this is our current price or current market price. This is where the market is right now, and we are going to let you know, or I'm going to let you know whether from here is the market gonna break this resistance or fail to break it and go all the way down. Okay, now the beauty about this is we can already see that the market is already at a strong resistance or a strong zone. So if we go down to a lower time frame, I'm going to go down to the daily time frame. You can clearly see that the market is right there. Okay, now if we go to H4, lower time frame, and I'm just going to draw a trend line from here, right, from here, and then one from here to there. Okay, now let's leave this one. Okay, so we are expecting, or I'm expecting the market to go drop all the way down up until the beginning of this trend line, which is here. All right, my stop loss will be somewhere around there. My entry point was obviously going to be there, and then my take profit is going to be right there. Okay, and that's exactly what I'm expecting right now. All right, And if the market comes all the way down here and then breaks this trend line, I'm gonna have another entry. So by the moment the market gets to this support here, I'm gonna have about 2 entries. Okay, so I'm definitely expecting this price to drop down, this pair to drop down, Euro NZD. Um, Proper risk management, guys. Hold it and be patient. This pair is definitely going down all the way down to 1,67022. So yeah, thank you guys for joining me. It's been a pleasure, and I hope you guys learned a lot. And see you on the flip side.